how to fix your events tab missing from Facebook. So as you can see here, mine is pretty much here. So you just go ahead to the top right corner of Facebook, which is the drop bar button, the three lines, and press on see more. Here you can find the events button, but if that's not showing up for you, there are a few methods where this might possibly fix it. So the first one is to go to your settings, and if you scroll down, you should be able to find the apps section, and then here you can press on manage apps, and you're gonna have to go and search for Facebook. Once here, you can go ahead and your cache, as it might be messing up with your app, so that's basically like a refresh thing. The next step is to go to your Apple Store or Google Play Store, where you can go ahead and search for Facebook. Now once you're in the Facebook section, you can go ahead and check if there are any updates, and if there are, then go ahead and update the app, as being outdated may give some issues. Now we're back in Facebook, and if that still doesn't work, you can go ahead to the help and support section and the help center button. Here you can type in your issue to Facebook, give out your details to them. So here in the help center, you can go ahead and tell them that your event section is not popping out, so maybe they can find a way to fix it for you. So they're gonna mail you with the Gmail that you're using to talk to them, or the account that you're using. So if all goes well, it should bring back your event section button. Now, if this video helps you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.